As a builder of nearly 20 years, I'm constantly thinking ahead to what families want in a home.
I partner with the Propane Education and Research Council, or PERC, to learn more about clean energy renovations.
So I'm prepared to build what buyers want. Here are three desires that I am regularly hearing from clients.
The first trend, multi-generational homes. The trend of multi-generational homes is increasing according to findings from a 2022 Pew Research study. So current urban housing may not provide sufficient space or the amenities really to allow people to age in place and have multiple generations in one home. And as a result, families are seeking builders that are really capable of designing and building larger homes to really meet these needs. And this may require a new build beyond the city limits where there's often not access to natural gas. Because propane is stored on site, it makes building multi-generational homes more feasible. Home builders don't need to wait for a utility company to install a natural gas line, which is huge. When building with propane, you get customized support from a local propane supplier. This person is going to work with you to understand the size of the house and its gas needs. Then that propane supplier is going to install a properly sized propane tank and connect to home appliances. And tanks can be installed above ground or buried underground.
A propane home is going to be more resilient than a home that's strictly on the electrical grid because the propane is on site, ready to use when a family needs it. The second want is any kind of property that is going to offer money-saving efficiencies.
Propane appliances increase the value of a house because they are efficient and reliable. And when an appliance is efficient, it's using less energy, ultimately saving the homeowner dollars in the long run. Propane can power major systems and appliances like a furnace, water heater, clothes dryer, fireplace, and cooktop. Tankless water heaters only use energy to heat water on demand when it is needed, unlike your traditional conventional storage tank water heaters that are constantly heating that water. Tankless water heaters also have the lowest annual cost of ownership in mixed and cold weather climates in the US, so it's really a no-brainer. Propane-fueled forced air furnaces heat air to 115 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit, making the indoor air feel warmer and more consistent than heat from an air source like heat pumps, which often supply temperatures that are lower than 100 degrees Fahrenheit and are more affected by cold outdoor temperatures. So in other words, the homeowner feels more comfortable and the furnace isn't constantly running to keep a house warm. A propane-powered furnace also has a 50% longer lifespan than an electric heat pump, reducing its overall lifetime cost to a homeowner. Lastly, propane clothes dryers dry clothes faster than an electric dryer, reducing the energy used and cost. Plus, the moist heat it creates is gentler on fabrics and even helps reduce wrinkles and static cling.
The third want is booming. It's any property that can offer an income suite.
More families are looking for investment properties. When I'm renovating an investment property, I specify energy efficient and high performing appliances and systems. Tenants also tell me it's important to them that the house uses energy that's environmentally friendly. Because of their efficiencies and sharp design, propane power appliances really could entice renters to your space. Propane pairs well with many other energy sources, including solar and electricity, really making it an ideal energy option. Dual fuel homes are more efficient compared to using an all-electric appliance. And of course, reducing energy consumption is dependent on the tenant and the appliance usage. Families often find ideas of what they want in their spaces from TV shows just like mine, which regularly feature beautiful, high-performance appliances. A stainless steel gas range that combines a propane cooktop and oven is perfect for space-challenging kitchens. Propane also offers commercial-grade ranges, indoor grills and cooktops, in-wall double ovens, and other gas cooking appliances for a more luxurious custom kitchen. And back to one of my favorites, tankless water heaters. Compared to a conventional storage tank water heater, tankless water heaters are sleeker because they literally just hang on the wall. And the lack of that bulky tank leaves more room in the space, which could be a bonus to a renter.
PERC has several resources to help grow your residential construction business. So subscribe to the Build with Propane newsletter for up-to-date trends, information about free continuing education courses, and so much more. Just visit propane.com to get started.